Like I said, good morning. Be very careful how you do it. Good morning. Good afternoon. And then nighttime, the sun is all the way down. So imagine your dominant hand coming here, and then the sun is coming down. Good night. That's night. This is the sign for night. So good night. Okay. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good night. Or good night. Sorry. That's a sign for sorry too. Um. So eat, drink, thirsty, hungry. Okay. So I said it earlier. So if you want to go get something to eat, right? You do it once. Eat. It's like you're picking up some, hand foods and shoving it in your mouth. Eat, eat. Okay. Eat. Do it one time because if you do it twice, that's food. You want food? Okay. So food. You do it twice. That's the only difference. Okay. So eat once. Okay. And then for food, twice. Okay. Drink, very easy, very simple. Drink. Put your thumb to your lip. Cup your hand like a C. Drink. Okay. So thirsty, you have your pointer finger up like the letter D, and you just go down your throat. Oh, I'm thirsty. So thirsty. Imagine your throat been very dry. You're like this part right here. I'm thirsty. Hungry is have a cup like a C, right? And your palm orientation is facing your chest, and your fingers actually touch your chest. And you just go down like the food is going down the pipe. I'm hungry, right? But be very careful. You just want to do this one time, because if you do it twice, it changes the meaning completely. And it doesn't mean that you're hungry, it means something sexual. So, once again, you don't want to cross that line speaking to somebody and, you're like, hey, I thought you said you was hungry,